Hey guys, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And today we have some more information about the November Boxycharm regular base box. And we do have an official variation and one new product that we have not seen before that's going to be in the box. And we also have a theme. And then at the end, I'm going to show you some additional add-ons that I found. So yeah, let's just talk about it. So first off, we're going to have a little bit of a bigger box, which is going to be a good thing because they were making the boxes pretty small and they were getting a little squished, and I think it'll protect the box or items better. And the theme will be Boxycharm Stellar. Yes, it will be a stellar box for November. And if you are not a member of Boxycharm yet, then I will have a link in the description box below. And it is $25 a month. You can cancel at any time. And then you can also choose one of the items in your box. And because you're a Boxycharm member, you get access to add-ons and the charm room and the Boxy pop-up, all great things. And then you can always upgrade if you want to. You can upgrade to Boxy Lux or to Premium. But today we're talking about the Boxycharm $25 box, and that's it. And new people or people who canceled before October 1st can get one of these 2 free bonus items. They are each worth $45. One is the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. The other is the Tarte Park Ave Princess Chisel Palette. And I absolutely love the Tarte Chisel Palette. Much more than I thought I would. I just think it's such a great idea to have multiple shades of contour. So convenient. And all you have to do is just add the coupon code GOBBLEGIFT at checkout. And my link, again, will be in the description box below. Okay, here's the first official variation received by someone who then posted it on Instagram, and of course it includes the Celestial Thunder palette by Dominique Cosmetics. Everyone will be getting that. And then it includes the Kypress serum, which was our choice item. And then there's a Dose of Colors, which is a variation item. And then there is the Brush Duo. And then in this box, we see something that we haven't seen before. And it is Lily Lashes in a special box that says Made for Boxycharm. And the style of this lash is named CEO. Okay, so let's go in order of the products so we can keep them all straight. The first is a Dominique Cosmetics palette. It is called Celestial Thunder. And this is a palette that is a smaller version of Celestial Storm, which is her full-size palette, Christian Dominique. And this one has 8 shadows, and everyone will be getting this in their Boxycharm box. Now on to the second item. The second item was the choice item, so we had the opportunity to choose between one or the other. There is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, and that has a retail value of $50. And what we saw in this variations box is the other option, which is the Kypress Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum, and that's in a pretty big bottle. It is a little over 1.5 ounce, and that has a retail value of $90. So the third item will be a pair of Boxycharm brand face brushes, and they have a black plastic skinny handle, and they're like wide at the top, and here are the photos. I do not have a value on these, but these are the 2 larger ones of the 5-piece set, and the 5-piece set is coming in the premium. And to me, they kind of remind me of this, and this is a toilet plunger. So, well, anyway, if you are getting premium, you won't get these. You will get the Farsali Rose Gold 24K Skin Mist, and this retails for $39. It's 1.7 ounce, and again, this is only for the people receiving premium this month. And this is a 4-in-1 wonder for all skin types. It has gold flakes and rosehip seed oil for a hydrating, alcohol-free mist. So this is a very nice product that I've seen in Sephora before and tried it out, and I wish I was getting it. The 4th product will be a variation item. It'll either be a Dose of Colors matte lipstick or a Becca highlighter. And there will be 4 Dose of Color shades, and these are made exclusively for Boxycharm. And the shade that would be sent to you would be based on your beauty profile. They go from Flirty, Charm, Nude, Mood, and Date Night. And the version that this charmer received was the shade Charm. And instead of the Dose of Colors, you may receive a full-size Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. It's a powder highlighter. It will be full-size. They sell for $38 at Sephora. And it appears that there will be 3 different shades available. They are apparently exclusive shades to Boxycharm, so we don't know the names of those shades just yet. So before we get to the 5th possible item, you will also be getting swatch cards, maybe 1, maybe 2, in your November box. One will be for the Becca 24-hour full coverage foundation, and the other card should be for the Pretty Vulgar concealer. And we're down to the 5th and last item, and as I already showed you in this first unboxing, I guess we would call it, variation, there was a set of Lily Lashes. They're the Lily Lashes CEO. You can find them at the Lily Lash website. However, this is a Boxycharm ad, and this showed a Tula product, and in my previous spoiler video I indicated it was the Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Hydrogel Mask, and these are being sold at Nordstrom, 4 in a pack, but we're going to be getting 2 of them, so those will be masks. And the 5th item could really be just about anything. It could be a black eyeliner, it could, I mean, a gloss. It really could be anything at all. Those always vary really widely. So let's talk about the pop-up shop. And for the pop-up shop, I already advised you guys that November 11th will be for anyone who is a Luxe member or a premium member or on the wait list for either one. That's November 11th, Monday. November 12th will be for regular Boxycharm members who are not on the waiting list for those 2 upgraded boxes. And the time, we do not know yet. They're going to release it on social media, so a good way for you to find out as soon as possible, if you're not on social media all day, you can hit the button to subscribe to me, hit notifications all. I will be stalking social media that day, and as soon as I find out, I will put it on my community tab, and if you have notifications all, you will be notified as soon as I figure out what time pop-up is opening. And also you can subscribe to my Instagram because I will also post it there, and here's my Instagram address right here. Here are the pop-up items that we're expecting to see on November 11th and 12th. This, I think, will be probably the first sellout. This is the Ace Beauté Blossom Passion Palette, and this is expected to go for $9. It is worth $34.99. And then I'm going to throw up a lot of photos here of all the items that I showed you before in my November pop-up video. I'm going to link that video down below if you want to hear more about all of these products I'm showing the photos on. Then you can take a look at that video, and I'm just going to play some relaxing music right now. But please like and subscribe and turn your notification bell on, and I'll see you guys at the next video.